Hi friends, welcome to Fusion Cooking channel for one more great recipe. Today we are going to make dry dates powder. Take the dry dates, remove the stems and remove the pits while we talk about the benefits of dates. Dates are very rich in micronutrients like iron, calcium, potassium, copper and manganese. It also has a lot of B vitamins. Dates have very many health benefits, like it prevents anemia, it is very rich in fiber, so it helps with the digestive system and bowel movements, and it's rich in antioxidants, so it has a disease fighting capability. It is also good for brain health, and above all it's a very natural sweetener. So you can use this as a sweetener in baby foods and in dessert recipes like kheers, or wherever you're using sugar or jaggery, you can use this one in place of those artificial sweeteners. So in addition to the sweetness, you will get the health benefits from the dates. As you can see, we have removed the pits from the dates and stems. Cut the dry dates into somewhat smaller pieces. Next we are going to dry these dry dates pieces to make it a powder. So cutting them into smaller pieces will help with the grinding and making it into powder. You can dry them under the sun. You can keep under sun for 1 or 2 days, or if you have oven, you can keep it in the oven up with the minimum heating for a few hours, or you can preheat the air fryer and just turn it off and keep there in the air fryer for a couple of hours. They will become dried out. Once they completely cool down, you can grind them into fine powder. You can use the coffee bean grinder or a regular blender. Use the sieve with the smaller holes. If you want to have a fine powder that you want to use in baby foods, you can use a sieve which has very small holes. This will help filter out all the big pieces and make the fine powder very fine. So when you add into the baby foods, there is no danger of choking hazard. So yeah, you can actually grind it into again for the second round along with the bigger pieces, and follow the same process. If you want to use the dry dates powder in adult recipes like kheers or any other desserts or anywhere you use sugar, you can use the sieve with the bigger holes in it, so that still it will be a powder, but it will be having a little big pieces. When you cook them, they will melt into the recipe. This can be easily stored in an airtight container for 2 to 3 months. You can keep it in the fridge for longer duration. Now let's see how to use this dates powder in a few example recipes. You can add it to baby porridges. Whenever you are starting to add or planning to add the sweeteners to the baby foods, you can use the dry dates powder. We recommend for 8 months plus babies, and use the dry dates powder in small quantities initially, just to make sure that the baby is responding well, and you can increase the quantity and you can add to more recipes. This recipe where you can add it to milk, or whenever you are making other recipes like Boost, Bonvita, wherever you are planning to add sugar, you can add the dry dates powder in place of that. And you can use this for kids for 1+ years and 2+ years and older. We hope you like this recipe. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much. Bye now.